Mm. Hello students, this is Kishwar. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning a very cool physics tricks, and that's a chart trick. And it is of the height maths. This is the most common maths. Sorry, this is the most common physics maths in like 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th, as far I know. So here we go. So this is the question. Suppose you stay in Burj Khalifa, but now you want to throw Mr. Basketball from 1000 meters. Why would you want that? Now, at what height Mr. Basketball's kinetic energy will be 9 times of his potential energy from the ground. So I'll be doing it first and then I'll let you do it. So here, let me grab the pen first. Here it is written that there's a cap in here, let me tell you. Okay. Many in the early stage of doing physics makes this mistake very commonly. These things. To read the question very carefully. The kinetic energy is 9 times of the potential energy. We have to write 9 times of potential energy in here. Many do the mistakes. They write the 9 over here, which is like clear mistake. We have to like read the question very carefully while doing this kind of math. So here EK is 9 times EP. So we do the math. 1000 divided by 9 plus 1. Oh, how it's like 100 meters from the ground? Bro, how did I do that? Now I'll let you know. So, okay. I need to grab the eraser first. Anyway, so this is a very easy trick, and there is a formula. Okay, how we do it in generally, in like general thing. So we first like write this thing, then we do half mv square, then mgh, and then we assume it falling from this height, and we assume it is k, then h minus k, and then a lot of things. But now we don't need to do all these things. But in the creative question, you need to write this. But when you are doing in the MCQ, we are like, we don't have any time, like no time, so we have to do it. So let's do it. The formula is n divided by, sorry, it's s divided by n plus 1. Here s is the total height given from where the free falling has started, and n is the number of like in the times of potential energy and kinetic energy, the ratio of that. So here ek is 9. Here see, it is 9 times, so we write 1000 divided by 9 plus 1 is 100 meters. This is the answer. So this is like the easiest math ever, but when this is going to help us a lot in the MCQ section. So let's do these maths. I wish like I'll be giving you 1 minute time. You just pause the video. You can rewind the video if you want and check what formula and how did I use it. So now you use this and do the maths. I wish you have done it. Anyway. So the question is, at what height potential energy will be 9 times of the kinetic energy? So many might think that, oh Kishwar, this is the same maths. What is the difference between this and this? See, here it is written, kinetic energy will be 9 times of potential energy. Here, the potential energy is 9 times of energy. This is like complete opposite, right? So let's do it. So the how we write the thing anyway. Where is my wait? Sorry for that. Anyway, okay, we'll prepare here. So now we write this thing like this: 9 E K equal to EP, right? I'm not used to writing in this kind of thing. Excuse me for my writing. So how we do this? So now I said you what is n? S divided by n plus 1. We know the S is 1000. It is given in the question. And where is the n? I suppose in the last question the number n was in here, right? But now I mean 9 was in here. Now the 9 is in that part. How I do the maths? Where is my n? So what I simply do is that we just make the 9 come in that part. So it's like 1 by 9 EP, right? You got it, right? 1 by 9 EP. So the matter of fact, we have to make the n come in. Okay, the n should be with the EP, right? I'm not making any sense, but that's how it works. So let's do it. It's 1000 divided by 1 by 9 plus 1. So that's 1000 into like 9 plus 1, 10. So 10 stays below, into 9 goes up. So it's 10 cut. So 900 meters. So at 900 meters, the potential energy will be 9 times of kinetic energy. And that's how is it. It is. So now I'll be giving you another question. I wish you do it. So at what height the potential energy will be double of kinetic energy, right? Let me raise all the things. You do it. You continue doing it. Okay, let me make it easier. At what height the kinetic energy is equal to the potential energy? That's the easiest math of all. So here the thing is that let's cut this thing. We don't need this question. Anyway, so at the height, at a certain height, EP is equal to EK, right? So here we don't have any 9 here, bro. How can I do the math, Kishwar? Here we go. There's the invisible one. So total height is 1000. The invisible one comes here, plus 1 equal to, you have to do it, right? 1000 divided by 2. What's the answer? If you can do it, bro. Nothing. 500 meters. This is our answer. And I'll be very happy if you do all the maths in the future like this. I mean, you should get the thing how this formula works. This is what actually this is that I'm telling you. What we do, the normal formula, this is the last line of the formula, right? So it's kind of easy to do the math when we are doing in the MCQ thing. Anyway, this is it. I'll be very happy if you're using it on a regular basis, and which, okay, let me tell you, don't use it too much. You have to, like, when you are like knowing the meaning of the formula, then first of all you have to know the what is short tricks. Short tricks are like the, like, either, okay, I'm not being used. Just wait. Anyway, I'll be cutting this up. So yes, this is it. I wish this helps you in your exams doing the MCQs under 5 seconds. So this is it. I'll be posting this kind of videos more often now, probably, or not, I don't know. But why? This is Kishwar signing off.